What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Brandon Bruce channel. I am Brandon, and today we'll be taking a look at Otterbox's Defender Pro Series case. This case is for the iPad Pro M1 processor. This iPad came out last year, 2021, and it is the 12.9-inch iPad. We're going to take a look and unbox it right now. Stay tuned. So here's the packaging. It's very simple and straightforward. There's not a lot of plastic covering it. Here are some key features of this case: port protection, versatile device stand, storage for the Apple Pencil, multi-layer defense, and rugged protection. Everybody knows when you get an Otterbox, you really do have super duper protection. So let's get ready and just start opening this. Really not trying to tear it apart, but it looks like it wants to be a little stubborn, so bear with me. All right, let's pull it out. And as well, you know what, in the previous cases I've used for iPad with the Otterbox series Defender Pro, there's not a lot of info coming. You have your warranty information, and that's it. A lot of instructions. And you know, when you buy a device nowadays, most of the instructions and support is online. They're going to give you a QR code or give you their website. So here is the case, and it does have a cover on it. And I really love this cover because you can do a few things with it. Once, it can cover the front of the screen, and then you can also use it as a stand. So this is front and back. You have protection on the inside there that will protect it from drops. You have that back window there to give you your Apple logo. Unfortunately, mine has a D brand on it, so I won't be able to do it. And I know I just pulled that off, and I did that by accident, not knowing how it works, but we'll put it back together in a few. So usually I take these off by the bottom. Easier for me to do it that way. And you see I already have it all for you guys. And then you have the plastic snaps that snap into place all around. And you want to be very careful because some of these are very fragile. In the past, I've always snapped one. But Otterbox actually does a good job at giving you a replacement as long as you register. And see, here's my D brand here. So when I place it in there and turn it around, you won't be able to see the back window of the Apple symbol, but at least you get to see a nice little design or something. Makes it more unique. So then you just go around each tab, just making sure that everything snaps into place. So this is very simple. I know I've seen some people having issues on how to actually install it, but once you do it maybe 2 times, you're able to do it. And I love that Otterbox pays attention to the side where your Apple Pencil will charge. This was an update for this version of this case because previously it was a slab of plastic that was just pushed out like a rubber band, and it was a bad design. So I am glad to see that they have this little flap here for your Apple Pencil to charge. So now it's time to put the outer layer on the case. This part is going to hold everything together, and this is the part that you will grip the device. You will hold the device. This is that layer. This is the actual case that you will have in your hands. And it's simple. I love that Otterbox gives you a lot of leadway. Like, it's not a super rubber band type thing, but it is snug enough. But at the same time, it gives you enough to work with, so you're able to snap it in place. And I do also like that this case gives you your power button, your volume button, And you know, sometimes like if you're hitting those buttons a lot and they can get scratched, so having this case over the buttons actually protect them. Gonna make sure I have everything look like. Let's fix that power button. And it's simple. You just have to make sure everything goes inside the grooves. All right, so here it is in all of its glory. It is on, and I do love that this case does not have a plastic shield or covering for the screen. So you are able to touch your screen, and I do have a tempered glass on my display already. So this is front and back, and this is how you take it off. You know, a lot of people think you can tear it up. No, you just take a corner and just pull it off. Once you get one of the corners loose, that's all you have to do. So this stand, I really love this stand. You can use it that way, and if you wanted to put it into a typing position, you can turn it around and lay it on the stand. So you will be able to type. Of course, with this case, you also can lay it flat inside the case and use it that way. Let's say, for instance, if you were on the go, out and about, you could turn the cover over and just use it as one piece of one device. And you see the speakers are shown there. Everything is visible still. Apple Pencil. So that flap actually opens and it lets you charge the Apple Pencil. It gives you full access. All right, so it pretty much sums this case up. If you're looking to purchase this case goes for about $139. I'll leave the Amazon link below, and this is how it looks with the top cover on. And I'll show you the back here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys be blessed. Thank you.